Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow. When life feels heavy and draining, sometimes all you need is a breath of fresh air. The good news: you don't need to travel far to feel refreshed. Your very own small garden can become that gentle, energizing space. In today's video, we'll explore refreshing small garden design ideas that are simple, beautiful, and perfect for tiny spaces. Imagine stepping into a garden where bright greenery, soft flowers, and flowing textures instantly lift your mood. By combining gentle colors with natural materials like wood, clay, and stone, you create a space that not only looks beautiful but also feels rejuvenating. One of the key trends for blending light and openness. Think airy seating areas, plants arranged in layers that allow space to breathe, and soft lighting that makes evenings feel cozy yet refreshing. Even the smallest details, like a vertical herb wall, pastel-colored planters, or a small water bowl, can bring life and vibrancy into your garden. The magic of a refreshing garden comes from balance. It's soothing, but it also energizes you. Choose plants like mint, jasmine, or bright ferns for a natural burst of freshness. Add comfortable seating, maybe even a swing or hammock, to create a spot where you can relax, read, or simply enjoy a gentle breeze. So, if you've been craving a garden that feels like a fresh start every day, small garden design trends will give you all the inspiration you need. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more simple and beautiful garden transformations.